गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम जाफना। द डे स्टार्टेड ऑन अ ग्रिम नोट। सुबह थोड़े बादल थे, अंधेरे काले वाले, सो लग रहा था बारिश होने वाली है, पर हल्की सी बारिश हुई एंड नाउ द स्काई इज ओपनिंग अप। आई कैन सी ब्यूटिफुल गोल्डन लाइट इन द स्काई, सो इट इज़ गोना बी नाइस। आज हम लोग काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग जगहों पे जाने वाले हैं। आई जस्ट नो अबाउट द फर्स्ट वन विच इज़ अ प्लेस कॉल्ड नागदीप. Literally translates into Nag as in the snake and Deep is an island, so Snake Island. ये इंडिया के काफ़ी करीब है from what I understand, so it'll be interesting to be on the other side. Of course we can't see India from so far away, but yeah, we know that it's somewhere there close by. वहाँ हम बोट से जाएंगे, so the journey is going to be interesting, but I really don't know more about that. So we'll explore as that happens in the vlog today. वहाँ ड्रोन उड़ा सकते हैं नहीं पता नहीं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे एक नेवल बेस है. विद द परमिशंस वी कैन, सो वी गोना ट्राई फॉर दैट, बट लेट्स सी इफ आई कैन शो यू दैट प्लेस फ्रॉम अप इन द एयर एज वेल. दैट विल बी नाइस. But Jaffna is beautiful right now. Really lovely morning, and I'm excited to go down, eat breakfast, and start my day. तो अभी हम एक आर्मी की चेक पोस्ट पे हैं, जस्ट नियर द फोर्ट एरिया, और कोशिश कर रहे हैं आगे जाने की. लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन मेक इट. अदरवाइज विल गो बैक टू द होटल एंड ईट सम मोर पराठा. आई थिंक आई कैन हैव सम कॉफ़ी ऑल्सो, सो एक कॉफ़ी पराठा हो जाएगा. बट इफ दे लेट अस गो, विल गो टू नागदीप बीच and we can fly some drones also. So yeah, that's gonna be nice. So yeah, our luck hangs in balance, and yeah, हमें दुआएं दें अपनी ताकि हम आगे जा सकें. हमें अप्रूवल मिल गया और हम आगे बढ़ चुके हैं. Siri, also Shiripal, actually had to go and show his documentation to prove that he is who he claims to be, and now that's proven. We are going ahead. We have taken a small pit stop on our way to the Nagadeepa Island jetty point. It's really like it's like Tamil Nadu here. हर तरफ तमिल साइन बोर्ड्स हैं, तमिल म्यूज़िक प्ले कर रहा है, लोगों से बात भी करना है तब आप तमिल इस्तेमाल करेंगे. It's really interesting. Not that I know Tamil, but I can recognize the language when I see. Yeah, it's very pretty. I like this place. ऑल्सो अभी जो है ये दिस इज़ लाइक अ बैक वाटर फॉर द इंडियन ओशन. तो यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ब्रिज है जो ऑलमोस्ट सी लेवल पे ही है, और दैट कनेक्ट्स वन साइड टू द अदर साइड. एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अगर हाई टाइड आएगी तो ये तो पानी के अंदर चला जाएगा. मे बी इट्स लाइक अ कॉजवे और समथिंग, आई एम नॉट श्योर. सो वी रीच द जेटी एरिया जहाँ से हम बोट लेके नागदीपा की तरफ जाएंगे. जर्नी करीब आधा घंटा 20-25 मिनट. आई एम नॉट क्वाइट श्योर. ऐसे तो बहुत पास लग रहा है, बट इट सीम्स इट्स गोना टेक सम टाइम. वी हैव आवर ओन प्राइवेट बोट, सो वी डोंट हैव टू क्यू अप. कन्वीनियंस. या लेट्स बिगिन दिस न्यू जर्नी नाउ. We just got into our jetty right now to go to Nagadeep. I have no idea if any of this is going to be recorded, but I'm trying to be super loud. बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग सी जर्नी होने वाली. हम छत में बैठे थे और हमें नीचे फेंक दिया गया है. So we are safe at least. Let's go. So we are done with our boat ride and now we are on the Nagadeepa side. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी था बोट पे, करीब आधा घंटा लगा हमें. हम सब नीचे बैठे थे. Actually we thought to sit on the top first, but it was too windy, so we had to come down. But it was nice, took some great pictures, and now we are off to the temple to explore it and also possibly take some drone shots. Let's see how that goes. So there's a very interesting legend associated with this place. It's believed that Lord Buddha himself came here and he prayed. And this island used to be full of snakes back in the days, hence the name Nagadvipa or Nainadvipa. And when he prayed, all these snakes came out of their holes and ran away. And he got this place rid of snakes, maybe. Something like that. But anyway, it's a story which definitely some people believe in. It's an interesting legend for sure. So now there are a lot of stupas and Buddhist temples on the island along with the Hindu temples as well. So they coexist, which is quite interesting. So now we are going to the most important place on the island. It's the most popular one. It's a Hindu temple. It's a Tamil temple. It's called Naga Posini Amman. I may get the wrong name, so I will just write it down. But prayers are going on. You can hear it. It's a stunningly beautiful place. There's a very beautiful Gopuram up here. So we're just gonna go in and pray and make some wishes. Come along. So we are back, almost back in town for lunch. परंतु हमें यहाँ बारिश का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. बहुत तेज़ तरार बारिश हो रही है. Let's see if we can survive this and still see some more of Jaffna. But Nagadvipa was awesome. Rain gods were with us. भगवान ने हमारा साथ दिया. हमने खूबसूरती से वहाँ पे ड्रोन शॉट्स लिए and all that. बस खाना अच्छा मिल रहा है. बस इतना ही चाहिए ज़िंदगी में. Oh my God, this is beautiful. बहुत ही तेज़ भूख लगी है and we have come to this place called Mangoes. It's a Indian restaurant. Let's see how the Indian food is in Sri Lanka. But whatever it is, I think I'm just gonna love it because I'm so hungry. Let's go in. So just finished our Indian lunch in Jaffna. The food was delicious. The only thing I missed was more, but otherwise it was very good. We are next heading to the Jaffna Fort. This fort was actually built by the Portuguese first in 1618. But uske baad, different colonial powers as they came to Sri Lanka, they also occupied it. So after the Portuguese, it was the Dutch, and then after the Dutch, it was the British. British के साथ था ये fort 1948 तक with the independence of Sri Lanka. Of course, it came with the government of Sri Lanka then. It is a very beautiful fort. It has a star-shaped, surrounding, and there's a beautiful moat around it, and the sea on one side. So, quite a stunning place, visually, and super excited to explore it next. So, let's go see the Jaffna Fort next. एक और interesting fact fort के बारे में, जब ये पोर्चुगीज़ ने बनाया था उस टाइम पे इसको सिर्फ इन्होंने मड और ब्रिक से बनाया था. So it was not a पक्का fort. The Pakka fort was then built by the Dutch, and that's the structure that we have here today. So it's often also known as the Dutch Fort of Jaffna. Very cool. Here is another interesting thing about the fort. We keep taking its history back in time, and the recent research work that has been done has shown that the history of the fort actually dates back much before the Portuguese or the Dutch or the British or any of the colonizing forces. I just read something जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि अगर आप इसकी हिस्ट्री को एक दिन में पूरा डिवाइड करते हैं, then the colonial history will start only 3 minutes before midnight. तो 11 घंटे और 57 मिनट्स की जो हिस्ट्री है वो बेसिकली ओरिजिनल हिस्ट्री है, या कि जाफना की खुद की हिस्ट्री है, नॉट द colonial history, and that's quite amazing. हमारा अगला पड़ाव है जाफना की पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी. ये काफ़ी आइकॉनिक बिल्डिंग है. There is also a very painful history associated with this temple of worship, this library. It was burnt down in the year 1981. This was something that was a matter of pride because it had manuscripts and books from a long time back, a lot of literature, a lot of things that Tamils took a lot of pride in. And when this temple was burnt down, I think it really caused a lot of sadness and demoralization amongst the locals here. Not only we lost the structure, which really means nothing, what we lost was these invaluable books and knowledge along with it. So this building was rebuilt in 2002, about 7 years or so before the war actually ended with LTT. And it's been since then a knowledge center, a place of worship, a place of learning, just the way it should have always been. It's really sad how human conflict results in such losses to humanity. And these are irreplaceable losses. The good thing is we have a library, we have moved on, and we can come here and learn, and place is really open. If you are visiting Jaffna, I would say this is an important place to come and visit, just to get a perspective of how much progress has been made from such difficult times to much better times now, when there's peace and also prosperity in the region. There's also India Center in the library, which covers a little bit about the history of India, our own freedom movement, and a lot of information about our leaders like Vallabhbhai Patel, Nehru, and others. झूठ क्यों बोलेगा वो बेचारा?
अरे जगह है क्या पीछे? मिसिंग है अम्ब्रेला, तो फिर ठीक है.
तो बहुत बारिश हो चुकी है, हमारे पास अम्ब्रेलाज हैं, उसकी मदद से हम मंदिर जाने वाले हैं. अनफॉर्चुनेटली फ़ोटो वोटो तो वहाँ खींचना थोड़ा संभव होगा नहीं. आई जस्ट टेक माई फ़ोन अलॉन्ग, आई गेस, इफ इट्स रेनिंग सो मच लाइक इट्स रेनिंग राइट नाउ. एनीवे, बारिश का आनंद लेते हैं, मंदिर जाते हैं, थोड़ा मत्था वत्था टेकते हैं, मनोकामनाएं पूरी करवाते हैं भगवान से. यस. Good evening. We are finally at our final location of the day. We are at the Nallur temple in Jaffna. This is the biggest temple of the region and it's definitely a must visit place, especially if you like temples the way I do. ये मंदिर लॉर्ड मुरुगन को डेडिकेटेड है, जिनको कार्तिकेय के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. It's very very calm, peaceful kind of place. So the main road is right there, but the feel and the vibe of the place, it's really really nice. तो अभी हम थोड़ा मंदिर घूमते हैं and then with that our day will end. It's a good way to end our day.